Bonjour, hello everyone. Today we'll be doing a staple of the Ivorian street food called Garba. Here are our ingredients: 1 tomato, 1 red onion, habanero peppers according to your taste, 2 to 3 pieces of tuna fish, salt, attieke, and some flour. Since our tuna fish is not salted like in Abidjan, I will be adding some salt on all pieces and surfaces of the fish so it can have the same taste as in Abidjan. After that, I'll cover the fish with flour before frying. I'll make sure the flour recovers every single part of the fish in order for us to have it fried very well, like in Abidjan again. After that, I'll cut the peppers, the tomato, and the onions in squares. I'll be cutting the peppers really thin slices so that he will be edible. I am now cutting the onions in slices first, then I will be cutting them in squares. I'll be dicing them. Same thing for the tomato as well. I will be cutting them in slices, then cutting them in dice after. I'll pour the veggies in a bowl and I will reserve them for later. I'll on the fire under the pan. When the oil is hot, I'll add a slice of onion to see if the oil is ready to receive the fish. The oil is ready, the oil is hot. I add the fishes inside. I let them fry for 5 to 10 minutes on the first side, then turn the fishes to let them cook on the other side as well. After they have cooked on the other side, I will now remove the fish from the oil. But me, I turn them again so they can fry a little bit again. The fishes are now ready. I will remove them from the oil and I will let them drain in a strainer. The fish and the veggies are ready. Now it's time to reheat our attieke by using vapor steam to do so. I'll put the steaming pot on fire with water inside. I'll let it boil for 10 minutes, then add the attieke in the top part of the steamer. And then I'm letting it cook it for 5 to 10 minutes, while checking from time to time on low to medium heat. When it is ready, I'll remove it from the pot and pour it in a bowl. I'm now adding the oil of the fish on the veggies. You can decide to add virgin oil on your veggies. All of our elements are ready. It is time to dish the food the way we want it. I tried to be fancy by putting it in a bowl, but off camera everything just fell off. So I let it fall in the plate. I added the veggies on the side plus the fried tuna fish. Here is our fried tuna fish added to the meal. I added our last ingredient, the Maggi cube. I added it for the decoration, but you are free to add it to the food or add salt. It works both ways. Our garba is now ready. Look at this plate, well garnished. It looks so yummy and colorful. It makes me salivate already. This is the most popular street food in Cote d'Ivoire and can be eaten at all times of the day. I can't wait to dive in. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share with your friends and family and anyone else. Bye.